Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about this unit. This is the Lasko Ceramic Heater, and I just got this unit and I'm in love. So I want to share with you guys the cool features of this unit. So first and foremost, it rotates, right? So, and it also comes with a remote. So we'll get to the remote soon, but I just want to show you on the unit here the different features. So you have the power button, you have the timer. So with the timer you can set the time, like how long you want it to run, whether 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, and so on. And then here is where this is where you get it to rotate. And then you have the temperature, and the temperature goes from 60 straight up to 90. I think 90 will be max. 75, 80, 85, yeah, 90. 90 is max. So let's try it out. It is really warm. You get really nice hair from it. It's awesome. So right now you can see it's on max and it's on high. So if you press the temperature, it changes. See, it goes down to 60, changes. There you go. It moves so slow. It goes from side to side. And that's just another awesome feature that I love. Okay, and this is a timer. I always set mine on an hour. So see, you have an hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, 6 hour, 7 hour. So I think it only goes to 7, obviously. So now for the remote control. The remote control does the same thing. Ooh, that's getting hot. Okay, yeah, 75 will do. Yeah. So on the remote you have the power button here. See, it's off, it's on, off, on. Then the timer is like the symbol of a clock right here, so you can change the time. You can change the time on it, see. Then the rotating feature right here, see. Then up and down is the temperature where you want it. And this is where they want it to be, low or high. And I always keep it on high because I'm always cold. But this is the Lasko Ceramic Heater and I love it. And it is so inexpensive. It is very inexpensive. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you need a heater, because it is also more frugal to use a heater like this in your space than to heat the entire house. So that's why I got it and I love it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you guys soon. Bye guys.